the Super Hershey RVs. We are at the
the Hershey RV show.
We left Nova Scotia. We are now in Hershey, PA, and we're here
We missed the hurricane in Nova Scotia. Praise God.
We missed a hurricane in Nova Scotia, and she's praising God. Me too. But we're here for the week. We're actually here for the biggest RV show in the country, which is the Hershey RV show, and we're looking forward to it. But right now we're going to meet up with some full-timers, other full-timers that with the Road Life Project, and we're looking to find our way how to get into this place. But we're excited to be in Hershey, excited to meet some fellow YouTubers and also some fellow full-timers that RV all over the country and enjoy the RV show this week. More to come. Pennsylvania. We're at the Hershey, Pennsylvania at the RV Super Hershey RVs. We are at the
the Hershey RV show.
We're at the Hershey Super RV show. I will put a link in the bottom. But it's great. We've been wanting to come here for a long time. This is the biggest show in the country. Not that we're looking to buy a new vehicle, but it's always nice to look around and see what's up and coming and what's available out in the market for 2020. So I look forward to sharing our experiences with you.
You're famous.
Thank you much. I appreciate it.
Hey, it was my pleasure. Thank you guys for helping us.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is Gastop, and Gastop is new to the U.S. It's been here since January, but it's a 100% automatic shutoff valve in the event you had a major leak. So if you ride with your propane on, which I know you're not supposed to, but a lot of people do, in the event you had a rupture or break in the line, it will automatically, instantly shut your propane off. We do have two versions, the POL for Class A, Class C, and for your towables and fifth wheels, we have the Acme. The other nice thing about it is the indicator up top will indicate your level of propane. They can go on gastopusa.com or diversifiedpower.com and purchase online.
And I'm the host relations coordinator. Harvest Host is growing really rapidly, so we're adding probably 50 to 60 hosts per month.
It's really a great program. Our hosts are fantastic. We have fantastic members. We hear heartwarming stories almost every day. One of our hosts brought out a jumpy house for the kids. They had a family that showed up, and he's like, hey, they might be bored, and he literally blew up this ginormous, huge, jumpy house just for the kids to hang out with. We had one.
They have been an adventure. I love looking at the site. I look at places that I'm not even planning on going just because I'm just interested in all the different sites. And we've done it 3 times, and each one was a great experience. Highly recommend it.
We really have enjoyed it, and if you're interested in Harvest Host, I'm going to put a link underneath the video. You'll get 15% off. You just click on that link to take you to the website, and you'll get your 15% off.